So here we have to see some examples. In this first example, if cot theta is equal to 9 upon 40, find the values of cos theta and sec theta. Here in this example, value of cot theta is given. If cot theta is given, then we can find the value of cosec theta by applying the identity cosec square theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. So here I have applied here cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Means if any one value out of cot theta or cosec theta is given, then you can apply the same identity, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Here cosec square theta is equal to, we can write 1 plus cot square theta, and the value of cot theta is given 9 upon 40. So 1 plus 9 upon 40 bracket square. Now 9 square is 81 and 40 square is 1600. So 1 plus 81 upon 1600, it will be 1600 plus 81 upon 1600, and therefore cosec square theta is equal to 1681 upon 1600, and the square root of 1681 is 41 and square root of 1600 is 40. In this way cosec theta is equal to 41 upon 40. We got the value of cosec theta. Now we have given the value of cot theta is equal to 9 upon 40, and therefore tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, means inverse of cot theta, and that is equal to 40 upon 9, and therefore tan theta is equal to 40 upon 9. Now if tan theta is, value of tan theta is known, then we can apply the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or sec theta is equal to under root 1 plus tan square theta, and that is equal to under root 1 plus tan theta is 40 upon 9, but tan square is there, so 14 upon 9 bracket square, and therefore we can write under root 1 upon 1 plus 1600, means 40 square is 1600 and 9 square is 81, and the addition will be under root 1681 upon 81. Now we can find sec theta is equal to under square root of 1681 is 41 and square root of 81 is 9. In this way we find the value of sec theta. Here in this way we got both the values cos theta, cosec theta is equal to 41 upon 40 and sec theta is equal to 41 upon 9. In this way we solve the example. Now second example is, if tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5, find 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Here tan theta is given, tan 12 upon 5. If tan theta is given, then we can apply the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, means sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or 1 plus tan value of tan is 12 upon 5 and its square. So 1 plus 144 upon 5 square is 25. Now if we cross multiply, then we get 25 plus 1 upon 44 upon 25. In this way sec square theta is equal to 169 upon 25, and therefore sec theta is equal to square root of 169 is 13 and square root of 25 is 5. In this way we got the sec theta is equal to 13 upon 5. Now here we have to find sin theta, value of sin theta, but it is not possible to find directly the value of sin theta. So by applying cos theta, means we have to find cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and that is equal to inverse of sec theta is 5 upon 13. So cos theta is equal to 5 upon 13. Now cos theta is known. We have to find sin theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and therefore sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and that is equal to 1 minus 5 upon 13 square, and therefore that is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 5 square is 25 and 13 square is 169, and then we get the value sin square theta is equal to 169 minus 25 upon 169, and therefore sin square theta is equal to 144 upon 169. Now taking square root on both sides, we will get sin theta is equal to 12 upon 30. Here we have to find now 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So substituting the values of sin theta, we get 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus 12 upon 13 divided by 1 minus 12 upon 13. So we will get here 13 plus 12 divided by 13 divided by 13 minus 12 upon 13. Here 13 plus 12 means 25 upon 13, and 13 minus 12 is equal to 1 upon 13. Here 13 will get cancelled. We will get 25 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 13 means 25 13 into 13 upon 1. 13 will get cancelled. We will get the value 25. In this way we have 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta is equal to 25, and that was our second example. Now in the third example, it is given that if sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5, find tan theta plus sec theta bracket square. Now sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5, it is given. If sin theta is known, we can find cos theta by applying the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and therefore cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, or 1 minus 3 upon 5 bracket square. Here cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25. So 9 upon 25. Here 25 ones are 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 divided by 25, and therefore cos square theta is equal to 16 upon 25. It gives cos theta is equal to 4 upon 5 by taking square root on by both sides. Here if we know that sin theta, cos theta and sec theta, they are multiplicative inverse of each other, and therefore sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1, means sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and that is equal to 1 divided by 4 upon 5, which is the value of cos theta. So division means multiplication by inverse. So 1 into inverse of 4 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. So we will get here sec theta is equal to 5 upon 4. Now we have to find the value tan theta, because here we are asked to find the value of tan theta. That is tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta, and that is equal to 3 upon 5, which is the value of sin theta, divided by value of cos theta is 4 upon 5. So tan theta is equal to 3 upon 5 into 5 upon 4. Here 5 will get cancelled, then we will get the ratio 3 upon 4. So tan theta is equal to 3 upon 4, and now we have to find the value of tan theta plus sec theta bracket square. So tan theta plus sec theta bracket square is equal to, here tan theta is 3 upon 4 plus sec theta is 5 upon 4, and if we add, we will get the value 8 upon 4 bracket square. Here 8 upon 4, here after reduction we will get 2, means 4 ones are 4, 4 2 side. So we will get 2 square, and that is the tan theta plus sec theta bracket square is equal to 4.